Stop by and take a look at the 2014 Chevy Cruze. The Cruze blueprint calls for more than you'd expect and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, front wheel drive, auto off headlights, remote vehicle start, power driver mirrors, power passenger mirrors. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You've found it, so stop in today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.